Concept 2 takes the award-winning synth VST and supercharges it in exciting and creative new ways, making it faster and a whole lot more satisfying to find your sound. Sound design like never before with our new Granular Oscillator. Instead of using a fixed waveform, these oscillators use any audio file as a source, slicing them into tiny segments and opening up whole new worlds for sound designers. Massive pads, basses, drops and hits, dense atmospheres, and even room tones and ambiences can be enlivened with ease in Concept 2. The Granular Oscillator is incredibly easy to use. Use any of the hundreds of included audio files and the new menu system to easily navigate through them. Or simply drag and drop your own sounds into the engine. Responding to your feedback, a new advanced shape modulator has been added to Concept 2. This goes way beyond traditional LFOs and envelopes, allowing you to design your own shapes with custom breakpoints and curves to be used as an LFO or envelope to control any parameter in the plugin. Concept 2's modulation system is semi-modular, and you can combine multiple instances of the advanced shape with any other collection of modulators for one of the simplest, most powerful modulation workflows in the synth world. We've made a whole host of small tweaks to improve your workflow in Concept 2. A user folder has been added to both menus in the Granular Oscillator and Convolution Reverb, so you can browse and grab your favourite sounds from your own library quickly and easily from within the plugin at any time. Any sound that you import to either of these systems will automatically be added to the user folder. We've applied our best optimization techniques to Concept 2, making it leaner and more efficient than ever before. Reduced CPU, it's great for more instances. We've massively expanded the range of impulse responses available for use in your designs. Now over 160 IRs come with Concept 2, and you can add your own easily by dragging and dropping them into the waveform view in the Convolution Reverb. Concept 2 now includes over 700 presets, with a vast range from music as well as cinematic and game audio projects. There are now dedicated preset categories for cinematic, FX, and ambiences, as well as classics like basses, pads, leads, and keys. We hope you enjoy making your own presets as much as we have in making this factory collection. Check out our preset previews and tracks made with Concept at krotosaudio.com and grab your demo. Thanks for watching.
Wow.